Welcome to my fourth video. Today we are going to talk about the planets because I was going to talk about it in the last video. I'm starting now. Mercury is the first planet from the Sun. Mercury has been the smallest planet in the solar system since 2006. Pluto was the smallest planet in the solar system until it became classified as a dwarf planet. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. Venus is nearly the same size as Earth, but rotates the other way. Venus is named for the ancient Roman goddess of love and beauty. Venus is the only planet named after a female god. Earth is the third planet of the Sun. Earth is the only planet in the solar system that is not named after a Roman god. The name Earth is a Germanic word, which simply means the ground. Earth is the only planet in our solar system with only one moon. Earth's moon does not have a name. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. Mars completes one rotation every 24.6 hours, which is very similar to one day on Earth, 23.9 hours. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, that may be captured asteroids. They're potato-shaped because they have too little mass for gravity to make them spherical. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. As a gas giant, Jupiter doesn't have a true surface. Jupiter is mostly swirling gases and liquids. Jupiter has 4 large moons and many more smaller moons. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. Saturn's rings are thought to be pieces of comets, asteroids, or shattered moons that broke up before they reached the planet, torn apart by Saturn's powerful gravity. As a gas giant, Saturn doesn't have a true surface. Saturn is the only planet in our solar system with an average density that is less than water. The giant gas planet could float in a bathtub if such a colossal thing existed. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Uranus has 28 known moons. As an ice giant, Uranus actually doesn't have a true surface if you didn't know. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun. In 2011, Neptune completed its first 165-year orbit since its discovery in 1846. Neptune has 16 known moons. As an ice giant, Neptune doesn't have a true surface if you didn't know. Pluto was once considered the ninth planet from the Sun. Pluto was named by an 11-year-old girl. Pluto was discovered in 1930. Too bad that we thought that Pluto was actually a planet, but then it became a dwarf planet in 2006. Okay, that was all the planets that I talked about. What am I going to talk about next? A Tamagotchi is a virtual pet that was first introduced in November 23, 1996. Wait, I think someone wanted us to talk about the song named What's a Tamagotchi? The song What's a Tamagotchi is featured exclusively on the Tamagotchi Video Adventures VHS. It is based on the Now Museum, Now You Don't movie short also featured on the VHS. Here is a video that I made and I'm showing it now. It's true. The smallest country is called Vatican City. It is located in the city of Rome, Italy. Now I'm going to talk about a special Garfield comic strip. The Garfield comic strip makers finally used a realistic photograph in April 5, 2026. This is the first time this happened. After 47 years, 9 months, and 18 days. Now I will show you the comic strip, and I will read it. Garfield, look at this.
Garfield is sleeping.
This sunrise is beautiful.
This cat is asleep.
You can't miss this.
John, it's sleep that I can't miss.
Garfield.
Alright. Wow. Why didn't you wake me sooner?
It's been 4.5 minutes and now I'm ending this video. See you real soon. Thanks for stopping by.